my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Prices keep going up, but not our incomes. So to try saving some money, I make a lot of things from scratch, like buttermilk, Dijonnaise, balsamic glaze, and many others, including this one, homemade self-rising flour. First, I use this sporadically, so the chance of it going rancid is pretty high. Second, I have all the ingredients in my pantry to make it. And lastly, I save money in the process. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine all-purpose flour. I'm using unbleached versus bleached, and read the blog for more details. Some baking powder, which is a leavening agent, and salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, but you can use kosher or regular. We'll whisk until nicely blended, and that's it. It's done. And we can proceed with our recipe. As you saw in this video, you need 3 ingredients to make self-rising flour without paying the price. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!